How to turn button mashing into cold, hard cash. You've been gaming since your thumbs were small. You've unlocked every achievement known to mankind, and yet your bank account still looks like a post-apocalyptic survival meter. Empty. Well, what if I told you that your hours in Call of Duty, your 97% completion rate in Elden Ring, or your highly questionable Minecraft castle could actually pay the bills? Welcome to How to Make Money Playing Video Games. Disclaimer: this video uses affiliate links, Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. Step 1. Stream yourself playing games. Easy, right? Just boot up Twitch, Kick, or YouTube Gaming, turn on a camera, or don't. Faceless streamers unite and start playing. But here's the catch. If you're boring, you're broke. You don't need to be a pro, but you do need to be something. Loud, funny, chill. Maybe you rage like a cartoon villain when someone calls you noob. Perfect. Make money. How? Subscriptions, advertisements, donations, channel memberships, sponsor deals once you gain followers. Hello, energy drinks and weird chair companies. Pro tip: use OBS to stream. It's free. And don't be the person with blurry 240p gameplay and a mic that sounds like a dying robot. Can't handle live streaming? Edit your best kills, funniest fails, or weirdest mods into bite-sized gold nuggets for YouTube. Make funny Let's Plays, top 10s, worst weapons in history. People eat this stuff up like XP boosts. How do you make money here? AdSense, once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. Affiliate links, sell that weird gamer mouse you use. Sponsored shoutouts. This video is sponsored by Raid. Just kidding, unless. Merch. Yes, your 11 fans want a hoodie that says Certified Noob Slayer. Editing tip: add memes, add zoom-ins, add sound effects. Basically, edit like your video has ADHD. Got God-tier aim? Your reflex is faster than your mom dodging your "just one more game" excuse? Then welcome to the esports grind. Top games with prize money: Fortnite, Valorant, League of Legends, Call of Duty, Rocket League. Yes, car soccer pays. But listen, if your KD ratio is 0.3 and you panic when someone peeks a corner, maybe skip this one. Real talk, start with small tournaments. Win $10, lose dignity. It's all part of the process. Get paid to complain. Did you just fall through the floor in a brand new RPG? Good, that's job security. Game developers hire testers to break their games and report bugs. No, not the cool bug Pokemon, the game-breaking kind. Where to find these gigs? Game studios websites, Ubisoft, EA, indie devs. Freelancer sites, Upwork, Freelancer. Beta testing communities. What you need: attention to detail. Basic report writing, e.g. character's arm turned into a spaghetti noodle. Perks: you get paid to play and complain. Dreams really do come true. If you've ever farmed digital gold at 3 a.m. or spent 9 hours grinding a shiny Pokemon, congrats, you're a digital miner. Ways to sell stuff: in-game items on legit sites like Skin Baron, player auctions. Game accounts, rare ones only. Don't sell your Farmville unless you're really proud. NFTs in blockchain games, if you're into that Wild West chaos. Warning: don't break terms of service. If your RuneScape account gets banned, I don't know you. You don't need a dev team of 200. You just need a weird idea and some stubbornness. Try tools like Unity, Godot, RPG Maker for the truly chaotic. Sell your game on Steam, itch.io, Google Play and App Store. Bonus hack: make a meme game. Goat Simulator made millions. Think about that. Are you that one friend who always carries the team? Start coaching newbies. You can offer lessons in strategy, aiming, not crying when you lose. Where to coach? Fiverr, Gamer Sensei, Discord servers of the games you play. And yes, people will pay $20 an hour to learn how not to die in Fortnite. The world is beautiful. Sign up for Amazon's affiliate program, gaming gear sites, or niche game merch stores. Review products, link your favorite keyboard, mouse, chair shaped like a dragon throne, and boom, you get commissions when people buy through your link. It's like a side quest that pays you in real gold. Want to really win? Stream on Twitch, clip moments for YouTube, sell merch, do affiliate links, enter a tournament, beta test the next big RPG, drop a mini indie game, coach someone while doing all of this. Gamers don't just play games. Gamers get paid. Whether you're a keyboard warrior, a thumbstick champion, or just really good at fishing in Stardew Valley, there's money out there for you. Now go forth, get that bread, stack that XP, and remember, if anyone tells you playing games is a waste of time, just send them a link to your merch store. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more lazy money hacks.